Hi students, welcome you all for the first class of our course, that is JEE Mains 2022. Okay, so in this class I am going to discuss about the syllabus and the weightage of the marks and the questions to all the chapters. Okay, so first I will discuss about all your syllabus. Unit wise I will go through your syllabus. So next I will go according to the weightage. So here the weightage is also very important, and the units of your JEE mains is also very important. So that's why first I will discuss the units of your syllabus for JEE mains exam, and next I will go for your weightage. So question wise chapter wise weightage. I will go for chapter wise weightage of your JEE mains exam. Okay, so let us start this. So see here, the first unit is going to be sets, relations and functions. Okay, so here the first unit is going to be sets, relations and functions. Clear? So in this chapter you can just see sets and their representation. Sets and their representation is in your first year, that means 11th class. Union, intersection and complement of sets is also in 11th class, and their algebraic properties is in your 11th class. Power set is also in your 11th class. Next, relations is in your 11th class, and this types of relations is in your 12th class. Okay, so see here, relation is in your 11th class, and the types of relations, see this, types of relations will come for your 12th class. Okay, so you read relations in the first year and types of relations in the second year. That means relations in the 11th standard, types of relations in your 12th class. Next, equivalence relation also you learn in 12th class. Equivalence relation also you learn in 12th class. Next, 1 into and onto functions you learn in 12th class. Okay, the composition of functions you learn in 12th class. Clear? Or you can also say it as your second year. So here functions is of your 11th class. Okay, so this is how you are going to study. So see here, the more concepts of this particular unit are from 11th standard, and very less concepts from your 12th standard. But here first year is going to be very important in this unit. If you understand the 11th class concepts, then only you can understand the 12th class concepts. Are you getting my point? So that's why first you understand the 11th class concepts very neatly, then only you can start the second year syllabus. Okay, so that's why this is all about your the first unit JEE mains syllabus. Clear? So therefore you can see here there are two colors, one is yellow, another one is red. So in the red marker I have shown your 12th class syllabus, in the yellow marker I have given your 11th class syllabus. Clear? So here first you have to concentrate on 11th class. First you understand the 11th class concepts, then you come for the 12th class concepts. Okay, so this is about first unit. Now let us go for the second unit. See, complex numbers and quadratic equations. So complete syllabus, complete your unit of your NCERT textbook. First, complex numbers. First, you study about complex numbers as ordered pairs, of the real numbers, ordered pair of real numbers, and representation of complex numbers, okay, in the form of a plus ib, and their representation in a plane, that is called as argand diagram, okay. Next you have algebra of complex numbers, okay. Modulus and argument of a complex number, square root of complex number, see, triangular inequalities. Next you have quadratic equations in real and complex numbers, in real and complex number system, and their solutions, relations between roots and coefficients, nature of roots, the formation of quadratic equations with given roots, okay. So this is about your second unit. So what you have to do here, you take your NCERT textbook and you compare the syllabus of NCERT with this syllabus, and you just mark out which of the concepts are there which are not in NCERT but they are in JEE main syllabus. So that kind of situations are going to be very less, because 99% of the NCERT syllabus is going to be present in JEE main syllabus. So that's why once you check, verify what is present and is there any extra concept in JEE main syllabus or what, okay. First you have to compare it, no problem, clear. So this is of your 11th class concepts, and you have to take care of this, because I think already you have completed this chapter, and you have to understand the concepts very carefully, okay. Now let us go for third unit, matrices and determinants. This matrices and determinants is completely second year syllabus. Okay. So first you study about matrices, and next you go for algebra of matrices, next type of matrices, next you go for determinants, and matrices of order 2 and 3. That means you are going to study about only the matrix of order 2 and 3. Okay, second year students, you have to concentrate here. You have to concentrate on the matrix and determinants of order 2 and 3. Don't go above that. Okay. Next, properties of determinants, evaluation of determinants, area of triangles using determinants, adjoint and evaluation of inverse of a square matrix, using determinants, and elementary transformations, test of consistency and solution of simultaneous equations, and the solution of simultaneous equations linear equations in 2 or 3 variables, using determinants and matrices, okay, this is completely second year syllabus and this is for 12th class students. Okay, so they has to concentrate more on this matrices and determinants. So next unit is permutations and combinations. So you just see here, it is a very small unit that you can get one question from this, that is the fundamental principle of counting. First concept, the fundamental principle of counting. Permutation as an arrangement and combination. Arrangement and combination as section. Meaning of P of n comma r, that is permutation, and C of n comma r, that is NCR, and simple applications. Okay, so this is for 11th class. Okay, this is a very easy unit that you can understand and very small unit. Okay, so that's why you go through the fundamental principle of counting, permutation as arrangement and combination as section, meaning of NPR, that is permutation, meaning of NCR, that is combination, and simple applications. Go through simple applications, very small unit. Okay, next, mathematical inductions. This is also very small unit, that is principle of mathematical induction, and its simple applications. Okay, this is also very simple and small unit, so through that you can go, no problem, because it is a very small unit and everyone can understand this. Okay, next, binomial theorem and simple applications. See here, binomial theorem for a positive integral. So this is also of 11th class, positive integral index, and general term and middle term, properties of binomial coefficients, and simple applications. So here binomial theorem is also very small unit, and here also it is from 11th standard, where you can concentrate because it is a very small unit and it can give you marks because it is very small unit. Okay, so already I think you know about middle term, general term, coefficients of middle term, coefficients of the given term, like that they can ask the questions. So here you have to concentrate. Okay, very small unit. This is also very small unit that you can concentrate. Okay, next you see sequence and series. So this is also of 11th class, that is arithmetic and geometric progressions. Insertion of arithmetic, geometric means between two given numbers, relation between arithmetic mean and geometric mean, sum up to n terms, and you can also see special series. Okay, this special series is very important. Okay, sum of nth term, sum of 2n, sum of 3n. Okay, and arithmetico-geometric progression. Clear? So here you have to concentrate on very important thing, that is special series. Okay, so please concentrate on this unit, because here also it is very important for one question. Clear? That is of sequence and series. Clear? So it is from 11th class. Now limits, continuity and differentiability. Very big unit as well as very important unit. So in this, what is a 11th class syllabus and what is 12th class syllabus, that is very important. So see here, real valued function is from 11th class. Next, algebra of functions is from 11th class. Polynomials, rationals, trigonometric, logarithmic and exponential functions, this is also from your 11th class. Inverse function comes from second year. Next, graphs of simple functions, it is from 11th class. Limits is from 11th class and differentiability is from 11th class. Okay, next, differentiation of product, quotient, difference, sum, this is also of 11th class. Differentiation of the sum, difference, product and quotient of two functions, this is also from 11th class. Next, differentiation of trigonometric, inverse trigonometric, logarithmic, this is all from 12th class. So see here, I will take it with red portion, that is differentiation of trigonometric, inverse trigonometric, logarithmic, exponential, composite and implicit functions, this is from 12th class. Derivatives of order up to 2, derivative of order up to 2, Rolle's and Lagrange's mean value theorems, Rolle's and Lagrange's mean value theorems, applications of derivatives, this is also from 12th standard. Rate of change of quantities, this is also from 12th class. Monotonic increasing and decreasing functions, this is also from 12th class. Maxima and minima, this is also from 12th class. Of one variable, no problem. Tangents and normals, this is also from 12th class. Okay, so in this unit it is nearly 50-50. So inverse functions comes in your 12th class. Okay, continuity comes in your 12th class. Clear? So whatever I have marked with the red portion, that is of your 12th class syllabus, and which is with your yellow mark, that is your 11th class syllabus. Okay, so what you have to read from JEE mains, that I have given in both the sections, both for 11th class as well as 12th class. Clear? So whenever you are preparing for 11th class portion, you can just take reference of this, which is in yellow portion, that you have to learn from the 11th class, which is in the form of red, that you have to learn from the 12th class. Clear? So therefore here it is very important. So that's why you have to just follow it whenever you are preparing for your JEE mains exams. Clear? Okay, so now we can go for integral calculus. So this integral calculus is complete 12th class syllabus. Integral calculus is complete 12th class syllabus. Okay, so it is a complete portion which is from your 12th class. Clear? Here you can just see integral as an antiderivative, fundamental integrals involving algebraic, trigonometric, exponential and logarithms. Okay, integrations by substitution, by parts, by partial fractions, integration using trigonometric identities, Okay, and this is very important, that is evaluation of simple integrals of the type, that is integration of dx divided by x square plus a square, integration of dx divided by root of x square minus a square, integration of dx divided by a square minus x square, integration of dx divided by root of a square minus x square, integration of dx divided by ax square plus bx plus c, integration of dx divided by root of ax square plus bx plus c, and integration of px plus q with respect to dx divided by ax square plus bx plus c. And you can also see this, it is all from your 12th class syllabus. Why I am explaining this? Because whenever you are preparing for the board exam, you are not going to concentrate on these particular things. Okay, so that's why I am telling, for this if you want to get success in JEE mains, you have to concentrate on the syllabus more, because whenever you are preparing for your board exam, you are not going to concentrate on so many things. You are not concentrating on so many things. Okay, so that's why you have to concentrate here. Integral as a limit of sum, the fundamental theorem of calculus, properties of definite integrals, evaluation of definite integrals, determining areas of regions bounded by simple curves in standard form. Okay, so this is all of your 12th class syllabus. So that's why I am saying, please concentrate more, because whenever you are preparing for the board exams, there what happens, you are not going to concentrate on the topics which are not there for your JEE mains. So that's why you have to go for your what? First go through the syllabus then you can understand it. Clear? So that's why if red is not that much clear, we can remove it, no problem. So if red is not that much clear, we can remove it, no problem. Okay. So 11th class portion I have marked in yellow marker, and the remaining part is of your second year. Okay, so now let us go for 10th unit. So this 10th unit completely second year syllabus. The 10th unit is completely second year syllabus, that you can go through it, no problem. Okay, so here you can just see okay, so completely this is class 12. This is for class 12, and you can see here ordinary differential equations, their order and degree, the formation of differential equations, solution of differential equations by method of separation of variables, solution of homogeneous and linear differential equation of the type dy by dx plus p of x y equal to q. That means here something is deleted, so just you concentrate on what is present. Okay, so don't worry about the other things. What I am explaining, you just concentrate on that. Clear? So this is also completely for class 12. This is also completely for class 12. Okay, so next, coordinate geometry. Here straight line you can see, this is from class 11. This is from class 11, and you can just go through it various forms of equations of a line, intersection of lines, angle between two lines, conditions for co-occurrence of three lines, the distance of a point from line, equations of internal and external by sectors of angles between two lines, coordinate of the centroid, orthocenter and circumcenter of a triangle, equation of the family of lines passing through the point of intersection of two lines. Clear? So here what I am telling is some of the concepts are not going to be taught for your board exams. Those things are going to be present in your JEE mains syllabus. So JEE mains syllabus will have more content than your board exam syllabus. Are you getting my point? The board exams are just to give you an certificates of 12th class. So there the syllabus will be not that much big. But when you come for JEE mains, there the syllabus will be little bit more. Okay. So that's why I am telling, please concentrate on JEE mains syllabus as well as your board exam syllabus, because whenever you are going to learn in board exam syllabus, the sum of concepts are going to be not taught to you, or you are not going to through it, because it is very small compared to JEE mains syllabus. Are you getting my point? So therefore, that's why I am telling, first you understand the concepts which you have learned for the board exam and which you have to learn for the JEE mains exam. So which you have learned already for the board exams, for that you are going to prepare very well, no problem. But for which you have not prepared for the which you have not prepared in the board exam, on that you have to concentrate more in your JEE mains syllabus. Clear? So that you have to concentrate more. Next, circles and conic sections. This is also from your class 11. Okay, so you have to concentrate here, because conic sections is already deleted from your reduced syllabus for Karnataka board. Okay, so that means you are not going to learn about conic sections in your board exam preparation for class 11. That means you have to go thoroughly for the conic sections. You have to go thoroughly for the conic sections, because it is present in your JEE mains syllabus. It is present in JEE mains syllabus. Clear? So that's why you see all the concepts what is present in conic sections and circles, and you have to go through it. Okay. So next, three-dimensional geometry. This is completely of class 12. This is completely of class 12. And vector algebra, this is also of class 12. Vector algebra will be also going through in class 12. Clear? So that's why what I am telling, who are really interested for doing your JEE mains and JEE advanced, please go through it. Okay. So that's why I am telling, please, if you are interested for JEE mains as well as for JEE advanced, you can go through it. Clear? Okay. So now you can see statistics and probability. See, probability is of class 12 and statistics is of class 11. Okay. This is of class 12 and this is of class 11. Probability you learn in class 11 also. Probability you can learn in class 11 also, but there it is just a basics. There it is just a basics. If you want to study probability really, you have to come for the 12th class. So in the 12th class, you have very vast syllabus in probability. Okay. So therefore, statistics and probability. Statistics you learn in 11th class, probability you learn in 12th class. So that's the matter. So for that reason, you just concentrate on statistics and probability. Probability of 12th class, you have to concentrate more. And You have to concentrate on statistics of the 11th class. Okay. Next, trigonometry. So trigonometry, which you learn only in the 11th class, like identities and equations, trigonometrical functions, inverse trigonometrical functions and their properties, heights and distance. See, this heights and distance is not there in your 11th class. So this is extra. Okay. So this heights and distance you have to learn, which is not present in your 11th class. Clear? So that's why I am telling you have to concentrate more on that. Next, mathematical reasoning. Mathematical reasoning is also from class 11. So you have to read it compulsory, because in every question paper there will be one fixed question on mathematical reasoning. One fixed question from mathematical reasoning. Are you getting my point? So you can take any question paper of JEE mains. There definitely there will be a one fixed question of mathematical reasoning. Are you getting my point? So that's why I am telling you have to concentrate more on mathematical reasoning. Clear? So for that reason you have to just go through it, because there will be completely compulsory, there will be one question on mathematical reasoning. So this is all about your 16 units. This is all about your 16 units. So soon after this class you have to do one work. You just separate the syllabus of class 11. You just separate the syllabus of class 12, and you just go on writing how many units are there in class 11 and how many units are there in class 12. Okay. So with that you can understand what you have to learn in 11th class, what you have to learn in 12th class. You and also write the board exam syllabus. So that means if you write all three, you can compare them. You can compare them and you can understand them. What you have to learn, what you have already learned. So that's why. Okay. So I want to say one thing. Please concentrate, because there are so many things which you have learned in board exam, but there are very important concepts which you have not learned in a board exam, but they are important for JEE mains. Clear? Okay. So with this we can also come for very important thing. See, from coordinate geometry 5 number of questions, limits, continuity and differentiability 3 questions, integral calculus 3 questions, complex and quadratic equation 2 questions, matrices determinants 2 questions, statistics probability 2 questions, 3-dimensional geometry 2 questions, vector algebra 2 questions, sets relation function 1, permutation combination 1, binomial theorem 1, sequence and series 1, trigonometry 1, mathematical reasoning 1, differential equation 1, statistics and dynamics 1, differential calculus 1. So that means here you can just see where there are more number of questions. That means you can just see here, very important. This is also very important. Clear? So here this is important. You can go for this is also important and this is also important. Okay, because 2 questions. See here you have 1 question. Okay, but you have to read this. Okay, don't worry, I will send the PDF. But from that you have to keep it on written notes also. That is very good. You have to keep it on written notes also. Okay. So see here, this one question, this is from class 11. 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 This is class 12. Class 11. And this is class 12. Okay. So by doing like this, what happens? What you have to concentrate more, that you are going to understand. And please remember, in the exam there will be 25 questions. In the exams there will be 25 questions, that is 20 plus 5, 20 MCQ types, and 5 will be numerical types. Okay, so this is my first class, so that's why I am explaining all these things. That's why I am explaining all these things, because this is my first class. Here I am explaining about complete your 11th class syllabus, 12th class syllabus, and how many number of questions can be asked in your exam. So these all are the strategies. These all are the strategies. Okay. So where you have to concentrate more, which unit you have to read more. See, limits, continuity, differentiability, you have to concentrate more. Integral calculus, you have to concentrate more. Coordinate geometry, 5 questions, you have to concentrate more. You're getting my point? Complex numbers and quadratic equations, 2 questions. Okay. So if you get 2 questions from complex numbers and quadratic equations, that will also play very important role. Matrices and determinants, 2 questions. Statistics and probability, 2 questions. 3-dimensional geometry, 2 questions. Vector algebra, 2 questions. You're getting my point? So these things are going to play very, very important role. So that's why I am telling you have to be very, very careful. You have to be very, very careful, and you have to concentrate more on this. You have to concentrate more on this. Are you getting my point? So please, I think you got a very good informations of your JEE mains exam. So quickly tell me how many of you have followed this syllabus, and in this you have gone through so many things. No problem. Already you have learned so many things, because 11th class syllabus is already over. But there will be some syllabus points which are not going to be which are not going to taught you, because they are not important for your board exam, but they are important for your JEE mains exam. So for that reason, I am telling you have to concentrate more. You have to concentrate more. Okay. So please go through this, and I think you can understand about this. And from tomorrow, as I said, I will conduct the classes. From tomorrow, I will conduct the classes from 4 to 6, and it will be in English medium, because in our college or in our state we prefer more English. So if you know or if you understand the English, no problem, it will be very good. Okay. So then everyone, I think all of you are very much happy. All of you are very much happy with all these informations, and you can also start to do work. So today you just sit, see the syllabus, and take your NCERT textbooks, go on marking what you have to read from the 11th class. Take NCERT textbook of 11th class, you go on making the mark with pencil or pen. Okay, so that you can understand what you have to read, clear? So night 9 to 10 p.m. there will be a class for 12th class. Night 9 to 10 p.m. there will be a class for 12th students. So application of derivatives I am going to take. Okay, application of derivatives I am going to take for 12th class students, that 12th class students can attend it. Okay, because for them I am preparing for board exam, so that's why that is very, very important. Okay, so thank you. Let us finish this, and don't worry, I will share your PDF. So from that you can get this notes. Clear? Okay. Bye everyone. Take care.